Guys, I can welcome to you on my channel. If you are a fresher or already been trained in AI and data science, whether you are a fresher or experienced student, candidate, in this video, and if you are hunting for the job, in this video I am going to tell you some of the tools and techniques. By applying those techniques, you can easily get a job in AI and data science field. Step number one, first of all, you need to know the mindset of the recruiter. If you are sending your training certificate and other aspects which you have already been learning experience on LinkedIn, then nobody is going to look that. So you need to understand what recruiters are actually looking for, whether they are looking your training certificate or something else. We will talk about what is the mindset of the recruiter in the upcoming steps. So first of all, in the first step, you need to avoid sending your training certificates on LinkedIn or other platform. If you look at the recruiter or the project manager or the project lead who are actually selecting the candidate from LinkedIn, you need to separate out what exactly they want. Then how you can show your experience in your resume or how you can showcase your ability in front of the recruiter. The step number 3 is to find out a way where you can showcase your ability. So I will take the help of ChatGPT and I will try to find out what exactly you can do. You can follow me on this steps seriously and don't leave the video till the end. With the help of ChatGPT, you can find a better project which you can showcase in your resume or which you can sell in the market, which you can present in front of the recruiter. Let us use the ChatGPT to find out the same project. Here I have opened the ChatGPT. I am writing here, you are an expert in topic creation, provide me top 10 trending topic in AI. Here you will get the result. You will get lot of result for the same. You can use any one of them. Let's say I am selecting AI in healthcare. Here you can write another prompt, give me subtopic for AI in healthcare. ChatGPT will give you lot of things. Here you can look at the image, medical image analysis, drug discovery, development, and these are the many things you will get it. Let's say I selected the topic drug discovery and development. I am writing here, provide me the project idea for drug discovery and development. ChatGPT given you an entire project explanation how you can use and go ahead to use this knowledge. You look at this entire content is given by ChatGPT. Now the next task is to implement this technique. Here you can write provide me implementation code in Python. If you look at ChatGPT given you the entire explanation, entire code in front of you which you can implement it and put it in your resume, or else you can build a tool, you can build a small website and implement this technique in your website and showcase in front of the recruiter.